Question 1. Find the values or range of values of k if the quadratic function, this one, has only one intercept. Okay, only one intercept means our graph will look something like this. Only one intercept means it will only cut at one point. So for this graph, the equation would be b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Because here we get equal roots. Only one root, that means both roots are equal to each other. So equals to 0. The next one, the x-axis cuts at two different points. This one, b square minus 4ac, will be more than 0. Okay, we'll look at it later. Right, so here we just have to put our a, b and c into the equation. So this is a, this will be b, and this whole thing would be c. Okay, because a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c will be the constants with no x. So in this case, b square would be negative 4 square minus 4 a c. Then we expand. Negative 4k times k will be negative 4k square. Negative 4k times negative 3 will be plus 12k. So rearranging it, we bring everything over the other side lah. So we'll get 4k square minus 12k minus 16 is 0. This whole thing can be divided by 4. Therefore, k square minus 3k minus 4 equals to 0. So from here, you want to find k, we have to factorize. So you can use the help of your calculator. You go to polynomial. A is 1, b is negative 3, c is negative 4. So k equals to negative 1. And k equals to 4. So here will be k plus 1, k minus 4. Done. So this will be our values of k. K equals to 1 and k equals to 4. That's it. Okay, let's look at b. So b, this equation intersects the x-axis at two different points. So intersecting at two different points would look something like this. Yeah, like this. So when it intersects at two different points, b square minus 4ac would be more than 0. So in this case, our a is 3, b is negative 4, c is this whole thing without x. Okay, whenever you see terms without x, that means this whole thing will be the c. Right. So b square would be negative 4 square a c. Okay. So you have to remember that you must take the negative 2 as well. Okay, the negative also comes together with the c. The b is the same, it's negative 4, not just 4. Right, so we expand this, we get 16. This will be negative 12. And then inside here will be negative 4k minus 8 more than 0. Then we multiply the 12 inside. So 16 plus 48k. Then negative 12 times negative 8 is 96. Okay, you want to do, you can just do your calculator, no problem. Okay, so let's double check. 12 times 8, 96, no problem. More than 0. And then 48k, Okay, 16 plus 96 is 112. Then if you make k the subject, so 48k is more than 112. Sorry, I forgot to write the k. So here be 48k. Therefore, k is more than negative 112 over 48. So k is more than negative 7 over 3. This will be the answer for k. Done. This is when the graph intersects at two different points. So b square minus 4ac will be more than 0. That's it.